Hello everyone, and thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to be showing something that I do fairly often. Seems like I get a lot of customers that have old sheets that need their stuff updated or reduced or something along those lines. Okay, well here I did not create this code, so I cannot take credit for it, but they did. Whoever did this had an array of named ranges, and they wanted all of these named ranges to be updated. They've reduced the sheet, and now the VBA needs to be edited. So what I've done, I've actually copied this, and oops. Okay, I know you can use Control-C, but I copied just to show you. I have a new sheet here. I'm going to go ahead and paste it, or you can use Control-V, but right now I'm going to go ahead and say names. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have the PowerQuery add-in added in. Add-ins, add-in, go, PowerQuery, go. Okay. So now we go ahead and we need to make this a table. Control-T. My table has headers. Okay, let's go ahead and PowerQuery. Oh, that's PowerQuery. Sorry, PowerQuery. Let's go ahead and say from table. All right, and that brings up this window. All right, now let's use the split columns. Okay, by delimiter. We want to split it by comma at each occurrence. Okay. Now let's go ahead and you see it got rid of all of the quotation marks. Now let's go ahead and select all of the columns. And let's go to transform, unpivot columns, attribute, let's remove column, go ahead and call this names, load to. I'm going to keep it on the same worksheet just because, well, I don't really see a need to put it on a new one, just gonna have it real quick. So you click the little box there, choose your cell you want to go in, and hit load. This gives me a list, okay? And it'll turn green when it's ready. Alright, now I have used Fast Excel, Fast Excel version 3. This is Charles Williams add-in. It's absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it. He has a name pro here, and with the name pro you can get a list of all your names very quickly and easy. You hit the little export button here. It actually brings a message box up that's on the other screen that says create a list of all names in a new worksheet. So you do that. I've already done it, not going to do it again, and it creates the names on December 3rd 2014. Okay. So here's a list of all the names in here. Okay. Since I've already removed all the columns and a lot of the name ranges, there were a bunch of references, which I'm not going to get too much into, but I used Fast Excel and the Name Pro, and basically just typed in this corner a ref, and it brought up a list of all of them, and then I hit delete. And then it deleted all of them. So let's go ahead and find out which ones are still here. So let's type match. Equals match. We're looking for this, comma, Control Shift or select, Control Shift down arrow, F4, Control backspace or Control period to go back. Well, I don't know why it's not doing that. Alright, comma 0 enter, and these are all not there. I don't know that I believe it. So let's put this in trim. Make sure. And we trim this. Now, because we're using an array formula, I'm not going to get too into them. We're going to have to use Control Shift enter. So I did that. Well, there we go. Now we can see that we have a bunch that are not there, and we want to remove all of these. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this back into PowerQuery. Well, we don't have to. Yeah. We don't have to. Let's just go ahead and filter out those. We can go copy and paste. Okay. We're going to go down here where it's not filtered. You can tell that it's filtered rows because the blues here. Let's go ahead and push Control V. It will extract them. Alright, now Charles Williams also has an amazing function called Concat Range. But to do so, you can use so it's under array or text, I'm sorry, and then you concat range and you say OK, and it brings up this. I'm sure everybody's seen this before. Concat this, we choose it, choose our spot, our divider. We would like it to be period, or I'm sorry, not period, and it also does that. So this gets us almost there. Let's go back and go back into that. But I would like to add quotation mark before and after as well. And it shows you on the side here a preview of what it's going to do. But see, that's wrong. Look at this. That's what we're looking for. Sometimes you have to play with it. Okay. And that makes it correct. Alright, so now basically we can just copy, paste values. Alright, now copy this. Go back into the Visual Basic Editor. Control V. And we do have to put a quotation in the front and back. And that will get us our correct named ranges. Alright, thanks for watching and have a great day.